तुम रो क्यों रही हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? अब रोने का क्या फ़ायदा? What is the use of crying now? What is the use of crying now? दाल में कुछ काला है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मुझे मेरा काम करने दो. Let me do my work. Let me do my work. क्या तुम समझ रहे हो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ? Do you understand what I am saying? Do you understand what I am saying? पैसे पेड़ पर नहीं उगते. Money does not grow on tree. Money does not grow on tree. तुम कुछ भी करो मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. You do anything, I don't care. You do anything, I don't care. दूसरों पर निर्भर मत रहो. Don't depend on others. Don't depend on others. जाओ और जाकर कुछ करो. Go and do something. Go and do something. मेरी तरफ मत देखो. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. अपनी आंखें खुली रखो. Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? आपका क्या मतलब है? What do you mean? What do you mean? समझदार को इशारा ही काफी होता है. A hint to the wise is enough. A hint to the wise is enough. तुम सीख जाओगे. You will learn. You will learn. आपको क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? आपके पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? आपके पास कितना पैसा है? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? मैं अंग्रेजी बोल सकता हूँ. I can speak English. I can speak English. मुझे थोड़ी देर सोचने दो. Let me think for a while. Let me think for a while. मुझे आपका आशीर्वाद चाहिए. I want your blessings. I want your blessings. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything gonna be okay. Everything gonna be okay. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. आपको किसी बात की चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about anything. मुझे आपको कुछ दिखाना है. I have something to show you. I have something to show you. अपनी जिंदगी खराब मत करो. Don't spoil your life. Don't spoil your life. मैं आपसे तंग आ चुका हूँ. I am fed up with you. I am fed up with you. मैं तुमसे गुस्सा हूँ. I am angry with you. I am angry with you. आपको गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? Why are you getting angry? Why are you getting angry? अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now? मुझे उकसाओ मत. Don't provoke me. Don't provoke me. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए. You should not say that. You should not say that. मुझे थोड़ा समय दो. Give me some time. Give me some time. आज का दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day today? How was your day today? मुझे आपसे बात करनी है. I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. मेरे पास आपके लिए कुछ है. I have something for you. I have something for you. मैं सुबह 8 बजे उठता हूँ. I wake up at 8 a.m. I wake up at 8 a.m. तुम कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go? Where did you go? मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. पहले मुझे जाने दो. Let me go first. Let me go first. एक कप चाय बना दो. Make me a cup of tea. Make me a cup of tea. मेरी चिंता ना करो. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. मुझे आप पर पूरा भरोसा है. I have full faith in you. I have full faith in you. क्या मैं गलत था? Was I wrong? Was I wrong? जो होना है हो जाए. Come what may. Come what may. अब आप कोशिश करो. Now you try. Now you try. मैं ऊब गया हूँ. I am bored. I am bored. तुम हंस क्यों रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? ये सही नहीं है. That's not right. That's not right. तुम इतना भाव क्यों खाते हो? Why do you act so pricey? Why do you act so pricey? ये कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? आप कुछ खाते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you eat something? Why don't you eat something? आपका ध्यान कहाँ है? Where is your attention? Where is your attention? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. क्या तुम चिल्लाना बंद करोगे? Will you stop shouting? Will you stop shouting? मैं आपका कहना नहीं मान सकता. I can't accept what you say. I can't accept what you say. आपको इस बात की इजाज़त नहीं देनी चाहिए. You should not allow this. You should not allow this. मैं तुम्हें और बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. I can't tolerate you anymore. I can't tolerate you anymore. गलती किसी से भी हो सकती है. Anyone can be mistaken. Anyone can be mistaken. आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? What's going on in your mind? What's going on in your mind? ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. मैं डरा हुआ हूँ. I am scared. I am scared. आपने गलत नंबर डायल किया है. You have dialed a wrong number. You have dialed a wrong number. मुझे एक बात बताओ. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? What are you studying? What are you studying? मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ. I am busy right now. I am busy right now.